Hello out there, people. This is Elijah coming at you today with some trades. So first, I'm gonna let you know how I opened the day here with Roku. Roku was shooting up from the beginning until it got right around here, 9:45. See a shooting star on the 1 minute, and it goes down, slams down. I waited for a pullback. I thought that slam may continue. As here on the 5 minute, it was down a lot, but it didn't seem to, so I got stopped out right there. And if we move it over a little bit, perhaps I got a little too anxious about this candle. I was like, okay, it's going down now, short, and I got stopped out again. A couple minutes later, I saw, hey, this is reclaiming this moving average. Let's go long. So I went long, let it, I got a little impatient from the get-go, so I took a partial. Shouldn't have done that. I thought right here, I thought about adding some more in, because this looked like a good support. I was a little too late, and again a little too early here. Again, partial, and eventually it peaked out about 103.5. So then later in the day, about 10-15 minutes later, it appears to do a double top right here, and Brian in the chat room called out, hey, this may be a good short opportunity. So I saw it and I thought, okay, yeah, I can see that too. It's right here below these moving averages on the 1 minute, and there's a double top right here. So I went short, covered a little bit right away, probably for the same reason I did it earlier, just to get something in the books, I guess. I got a little hesitant right here because I was like, well, is it going to break through? Is it going to break through? It did not, and I partialed all the way down here to, I thought it was going to go, it was just going to do a little bounce and then slam down right here. But then it did the opposite, so I thought, okay, I'll get out right here. Eventually it did. It just goes to show you, patience pays off. Now on to the next one is ALLK once again. So I saw ALLK, it goes up a ridiculous amount again from like 80 or something, 89. It seemed to peak out around here. It looked like this was a breakout. Okay, it's going to 90, it's going to 100, slam, and it got slammed back down. So looking at it on a 5 minute chart, you see right here, and a huge red candle. So I thought, okay, I'll let it pull back a little bit. I'm very glad that I did this, because I was so tempted to get short right here. I was like, okay, I gotta get short right here, it's going down. Or maybe it was right here. I was like, I gotta get short, and I said, okay, no. If it goes down, it's going without me, because I gotta wait for a pullback. I gotta watch that risk. So I'm thankful it did come back up here. This is about where I got short. Right here, it was still holding on to the pattern I was looking for. So bam, bam. It went down here. I tried to get filled here, but messed up something in DAS. I don't know what happened. It was trying to buy shares at a certain price. Like, it freaked me out a little bit. So, but I'm glad I got out some here. Then I thought, okay, this is coming back up. This was my new stop. Once it went down here, I adjusted my stop from being up here to this moving average, because I thought if it gets past this moving average, then it can take off. So I just took it all off right there. Still a winning trade, but not as much as I would have liked. Now I guess in this case, you see, maybe people got long here. They were hoping, okay, this is it. Then they sold off, but then bam, comes back again. And on the 5 minute chart, is looking pretty strong, especially volume wise. So who knows where it'll end up at the end of the day. Maybe it'll hit 100. Maybe it'll be down to 50. We don't know on these low float stocks, but okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your time, and have a great rest of your day.